Hey guys, Chelsea here, your TA lady, coming at you with some Bitcoin and altcoin cryptocurrency news. So to keep you up to date, this is the Bitcoin dominance chart. So it shows you where money's flowing in. It's flowing in more altcoins or Bitcoin, which the past few days it's been flowing into altcoins because this is a falling wedge. So that's something to just kind of keep in mind. It does look like it's starting to curve up. This is your stochastic RSI. Does look like it is about to potentially cross. It hasn't fully yet. This is a daily chart. So let's check out a 4-hour chart. All right, it looks like it's kind of staying in this pattern potentially again. If it breaks this pattern line, that is key to know. Okay, more downside opposed to upside, but we'll see it's potentially still in this falling wedge. And if we take a look at the altcoins, and based off that, we know money's flowing into altcoins. So the altcoin total market cap is going up. But Bitcoin, it is in this triangle, bullish pennant, which is a bullish sign, and it's still above the moving averages. So that is a good sign. So we'll just keep an eye out on this. You can set your trend lines always on the top and bottom, and then you'll not be alerted if it's breaking down or breaking up as well. And that's your 4-hour chart. Daily had this nice run up. Is it going to go ahead, kind of stay to the side? Remember, if it goes ahead and it kind of stays in a certain range, then potentially your alt BTC pairs do better because that is a comparison of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going up, it's hard to outperform it with the altcoins when you're running alt BTC. So that's something to keep in mind, but let's get into your latest news. So Chainlink, it hit the 8th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. So exceeded 24 billion. So amazing on Chainlink. It ended up hitting around $22, $23 recently. And over time can hit up to, I would say, $50 link. It is in a continuous uptrend right now. And they got good things coming out. More people are knowing about it because it's the market cap. But they are also starting staking rewards. So staking rewards are where people can go ahead, hold, and they're getting rewards based off of that. So that is coming. So as you can see, you can earn rewards, protect your assets, and maintain control by having staking on Chainlink, which will help it. More people see in the news, that could go ahead be an incentive for more people. But also we got going on is Verge has their halving coming up. So the halving is January 24th, 6 days from now. So usually on a halving, the supply gets cut in half. So if you're looking at supply and demand, that can cause an increase in price by the supply being cut in half. So watch Verge. Typically, sometimes these halvings can have a run-up and then sell off before exactly the halving. So just keep your eye out on Verge. That is one coming up January 21st for their halving. And DeFi has been increasing. So DeFi plays in the altcoins. So that has been increasing, and Tomo is part of DeFi, and Tomo's got an upgrade coming up on January 22nd. So that's something to keep in mind, Tomo, to keep a lookout on that as well, being DeFi and with their upgrade. So they got news coming with it. And then with money flowing out of Bitcoin, it's coming into the altcoins. These are some coins to be watching out on: Ethereum, DOT, XRP, ADA, Bitcoin Cash, Link, XLM, and BNB Finance. So if you look at some of these charts, this was the exact chart I showed you on the Bitcoin, how it was in this triangle. It's getting closer, so watch which way it's going. But this is a bullish pattern. Ethereum, I would watch to make sure it doesn't, when it breaks this trend line, you got some upside there for Ethereum as well. DOT, it had a huge run up, so you can use these fibs to see the pullbacks potentially. So a 0.68 is a good pullback level. Dow is typically 50%, so it's key to look at the Fibonacci retracements to see your pullbacks for a potential new entry when you get an increase and you're trying to get into these coins. XRP has just kind of been ranging ADA as well, but it is increasing overall, so that is a good signal. I'd be watching ADA on your radar. Chainlink as well. It looked like it almost retested this new trend line. So as you see, this used to be resistance up here. Well, now it just flipped. So now this becomes support and new resistance comes and is in price discovery. So when a coin hasn't hit or it has hit a certain level and there's no data from past data, it is in now price discovery. So that's something to keep a lookout on. And BNB, it hit an all-time high of $46. So that has been on a consistent increase, and some coins to be looking out on as more money may be flowing into altcoin. We'll keep you up on a day-to-day basis. But be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel and take care.